Bailment describes a legal relationship in common law where physical possession of personal property, or a chattel, is transferred from one person, the bailor, to another person, the bailee, who subsequently has possession of the property. It arises when a person gives property to someone else for safekeeping, and is a cause of action independent of contract or tort. General bailment is distinguished from a contract of sale or a gift of property, as it only involves the transfer of possession and not its ownership. To create a bailment, the bailee must both intend to possess, and actually physically possess, the bailable chattel. Bailment is a typical common law concept, although similar concepts exist in civil law, Spain Depósito. In addition, unlike a lease or rental, where ownership remains with the lessor but the lessee is allowed to use the property, the bailee is generally not entitled to the use of the property while it is in his possession. A common example of bailment is leaving your car with a valet. Leaving your car in an unattended parking garage is typically a license rather than a bailment, as the car park's intent to possess your car cannot be shown. However, bailments arise in many other situations, including terminated leases of property, warehousing, including store it yourself, or in carriage of goods. Purposes. There are three types of bailment. For the benefit of the bailor and bailee. For the sole benefit of the bailor, and for the sole benefit of the bailee. Examples. A bailment for the mutual benefit of the parties is created when there is an exchange of performances between the parties, for example a bailment for the repair of an item when the owner is paying to have the repair accomplished. A bailor receives the sole benefit from a bailment when a bailee acts gratuitously, for example the owner leaves the precious item such as a car or a piece of jewelry in the safekeeping of a trusted friend while the owner is traveling abroad without any agreement to compensate the friend. A bailment is created for the sole benefit of the bailee when a bailor acts gratuitously, for example, the loan of a book to a patron, the bailee, from a library, the bailor,